Hey guys, it's your bitch girl Jordana, and today I'm doing a get ready with me and also talking to you guys just about the reason why I cut my hair. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Now, I don't know what happened to my mic and it was picking up a lot of background noise, so unfortunately I'm going to have to voice over this because I only realized at the end of filming. So I'm so sorry guys, but don't worry, I'm going to keep it all, normal and what's not as much as I can. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be trying out this white eyeliner that I got from Shein. I did my eyebrows and this one is looking a little bit too black, but it is what it is. My Beauty Glazed color board palette into the purple palette, and I'm going to be going into this shade right here. Also my Eyeliner-CALL palette, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to go into the shade Corner and use those two palettes. Okay, so I cut my crease with my concealer and then I went in with the macadamia light white eyeshadow and just put that on top. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner because sometimes that can take me a while, but to be honest, this white eyeliner was really good. I really like it and it came out full, like liquidy, so yeah, really loved it. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I just do this kind of like a primer and then I put my foundation on. So I spray my sponge, and just going with my foundation. All the products that I use in this video will be linked down below. So sorry guys if y'all don't see, the labeling properly and stuff. Don't worry, all of it is linked below. So I just go ahead and do my face, but then I stop because this wax could like flake, so I went ahead and fixed my hair because I don't really want it to flake and fall on my makeup. So I went ahead and did my hair, and then after that continue back with my makeup. Okay, so while I did my hair, let me just tell you guys about the story behind why I cut my hair. So basically it was back in October of 2019, I believe, when I returned home from university, and when I returned home my skin just reacted different. Now for those who don't know, I suffer from eczema since I was born. However, when I got back home, my eczema was not what I was accustomed to. Like, it got really bad. Like, I never really had it on my hands or my fingers, but when I returned back home, hence why I wear a lot of gloves in my videos, because a lot of products react to my eczema. So anyways, so while I was home, I figured because of the heat, like the heat just made my eczema like the worst it has been throughout all my life. And it was frustrating because I was scratching, I couldn't really use my hands like for writing and stuff. My hands were swollen, and then it got to my forehead, like the back of my neck. So eventually I saw some changes in my face in terms of like my lips became black, and even inside my mouth, my tongue, my gums were black, and I couldn't understand why. So it was up to this point where I was like, okay, I need to go and see my doctor, my dermatologist, to find out what is happening to me. So I saw my doctor and he believed that it was a food allergy that I was having because this reaction was happening really around my mouth. So we did a test, did a blood test, found out that I was allergic to pineapples, a lot of stuff that I was accustomed eating even in Mexico. So I couldn't understand why is it that when I return I'm eating these things and I'm having all this bad reactions to them. So I had to cut those out and try to see if my eczema would get better. So after I stopped eating some of those things, the darkness around my mouth and in my mouth cleared up, and I found I wasn't itching as much. However, my eczema was still as prominent. I felt like it was still annoying me, making me miserable and stressed. So I said, you know what, I have to go to my dermatologist at this point. He prescribed me some ointments, cream, the usual stuff that I use. It helped me in terms of moisture and in terms of my hands. The eczema did go away, but it came back. So throughout this time I decided to put my hair in braids, and I think I had them in about maybe 2-4 months, and when I took these braids out, I lost a handful of hair. And it was so shocking to me because I've never lost so much hair in such a small amount of time. So I decided to, check my scalp and see what was happening. And then I realized that my eczema spread from the back of my neck up to my scalp, from the tip of my ears around there to my scalp, from my forehead back all to my scalp. And those were the areas where I lost the majority of my hair. Like, I literally had patches. Like, if I find pictures, guys, I will show you. So anyways, after another hairstyle, I lost the same amount of hair again, and this is where I came to the decision that I'm going to have to cut my hair, because I kept losing hair and my eczema was not getting better, and I was frustrated, stressed, and miserable. So I messaged Nate the barber, who's a really good barber, to be honest. So I'm gonna link his Instagram down below, and I asked him, can he cut my hair? He said yes, and this is how it came out, and that was the end of that. So okay guys, so this is the final look. Yeah, so pics of the entire look will be on my Instagram, which is linked down below. So anyways guys, this is the final look. Thank you for getting ready with me, and yeah, that's basically my story on why I cut my hair. Basically because of my skin condition known as eczema, and super happy, feel less stressed. Like, to be honest, like, I really felt like a whole weight just came off my shoulders. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Yeah guys, bye.